Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching us how to use this Google Doc. First of all, you open this page. Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching us how to use the Google Doc to write your content. First of all, you open this present page I'm looking at. When you open the page, you go to this place with this 9 dots. You click on it, then you will see a drop down. You will scroll up. All these things are called Google Suite. Then you will scroll up, you go to this place, double click it to bring it to the screen. Then you go to this place that have a plus sign, you click on it. It opens to a fresh page. All these are templates you can use to write. But since we are talking about how to write content, let's just teach you how to write content using Google Doc. Why I prefer Google Doc? Because you can write and receive for you. There are a lot of tools there and applications there that will guide you on how to write, and it's good as you use this you will install Grammarly. The Grammarly will help you correct certain language you will use and give you the good language or a good format or a good sentence to apply to your work. As you wait for it to upload, this is how the page where you're going to write whatever you will write. This is how the page looks like. Then this place you see written on title document. This is where you will write your the name of what you want to write. Sorry, network has been really disturbing. The name of what you want to write. These are application drop downs that you can use to make your work eligible. So as we are going to put down something, and when we put down something, you will really see how you can manage the situation. So as we wait for it to upload, sorry, the network is too bad this evening. So it has uploaded. So what we are going to talk about, I'll write something. These 5, when you click on, you get the drop down. You have new, that's want to start a new document to write, or from the gallery you have open, make a copy of whatever you are written, share it to the web or to others, email it to whoever I want to, download it. When you want to change the format, can download it to a Microsoft Word, open document format, which text or PDF. You can rename it if you want, but you can actually rename it from here if you don't like the name you have given it to. You can also change the language to your suitable language. Even other documents you have, you can bring them here, highlight them and change the language depending on the kind of work you're supposed to do. This page set of print. Then let's go to edit. So let's go to edit. You edit can undo what you have written or redo it. Like when you write something, you fill it by mistake, you can undo it and bring it back or redo it. Cut, copy, paste. You know what this one. Find and replace, select all, view, view mode, show print. View mode is like now we're in editing mode. When you send it to someone, you can someone you want to print, you can give person suggesting mode. The person will suggest for you viewing. Then show ruler, they already shown here. These ones are already underlined for us to start writing our content. You insert, you want to put image to your work. You can upload from the computer, you can search in the web, you can get from your drive, you can get from your photo or by URL going to the net. So the table, you can insert table in your work depending on the kind of, if you say data analytic work, you can product road markers. These are things that regard you in what your part to content writing. You can draw new directly from your drive. You can also get charts, back column. Depending on what you have inscribed, you can just convert it to chart, column, line, or path. You have to, like, let's just say this bar. Yes, I want to be showing you what I am doing. The chart is already inserted, it will come out. Then that is it. This is the bar. If I want to turn it to a column, I'll click here. It will also change to column. That is it. The same thing goes here. If I want to turn it to line, I can turn it to line. Can also convert to line. That is it. So there are many things you can use in this application to just to give your command and give you what you want. So let me just delete all this. Then I will still insert horizontal emojis, smart chip, full building, watermark. Like when you have written something, you don't want someone to see your work, you can put a watermark there. When you click on this watermark, you see what will come out here. It's giving you an opportunity to either choose image or text. Here I'm choosing text because that's what I use. Then when I write it, insert the text, I want to use my name. I'm going to use my name to insert the text. So that is it. All right. They ask you want it to be diagonal or horizontal. I want it diagonal. After that, you want it bold. I want it bold. So that is it. It's already done. That is it. See it here. So I can also decide to remove it. I click here and just remove it straight away. I can decide to remove it. I'll remove it. So what again? We have talked about insert. Then you want to format text. You can write with bold, italic, paragraphing. Under this paragraph, you have normal text, the normal title. arranging your work, this is where the main meat is. You arrange your one in such a way that someone just click, you don't need to scroll down to get what you are looking for. I'm going to bring the written um, one that will now teach you how to arrange it. Then the title and heading are applicable to the title of your article. It is placed on as a title of your article. Then all the table of contents, you can place them under heading 2. Maybe you can place 4 or 5 table under heading 2. Then the sub content can come three under 3 or 4. That is how very easy. Then let's remove all this so that we can have a clear space. So we are through with the formatting. As you go along, you get used to it, scrolling, bullets. You have all these things, and header and footnote, page number, orientation. So as you get along, you understand it. So let's just get straight to writing. When you are writing, you can come here and use any of the fonts. This is called font. When you click the drop down, you will see different fonts, Pacific, Area, Comforter. But I am going to use Area to write. So what I am going to write about something. Let's talk about marketplace. Marketplace in Nigeria. So this marketplace in Nigeria, this is my topic. It cannot be this size. I have to increase the font size. What I will do is to highlight it. When I highlight it, this is the font size. I will go here, increase font size, and add the number. Click on it. I can put the drop down and let me use 21. Then I'll click here, make it bold. That's a nice one. Then now just signal to me, since I installed Grammarly, that I need to correct this. This is now my topic of what I want to write. So this is marketplace. So this marketplace now, what again I am going to do, I need it to be in the center since it's the topic of my writing. If I want to change the color, I can also, if I want to change, the only thing you want to do, first thing you have to put it, you have to highlight whatever you want to do. Whenever you want to do it, you have to highlight it. When you highlight it, you can underline, you can, when you underline, see underline, let's remove the underline. You can put it in italic. You can also remove it. Let it be on both. You can also add text color. When you click on this, you will bring out any color. Let's say blue. You change to blue. Or you can put it back to white or black. You're gonna highlight it like when you are written something, want to make an emphasis or something. Normally they used to use this color. You see how it has painted. We remove it, so I'm not highlighting anything. You can add a link, a back link. Like you, before you add the link, you need to highlight a particular word you want to add a link. You come here, click on this, add this link. You say drop down of what you need. You can click on it. Good. It has added the link. You can also add comments, insert image concerning this. I will do this. Now let's align it. It is a topic. We have to put it in the middle when you align it in the center. In the center, since it's our topic. I hope you are following me. So now we have written the first topic. We are going to give it a heading. When you highlight this statement, you will now go to the format. You come here, the paragraph style, sorry, outline, paragraph style. I told you title and heading one are the same thing. So you can either give it title or let's give it heading one. I propose you apply. When you come here, you write apply heading one. You see it has entered into your outline. See what I've done. Then you start writing. First, since I not finished writing, I prefer writing after I can start my table of contents. Market, market, marketplace in Nigeria has grown to be an enviable size that the whole Africa desire to visit. Let's just say this one I'm writing is under, let's just say, okay, the undo I told you visit. Okay, then I correct, place a word, desirable, Nigeria, a desirable oh, desirable size that the whole Africa desire to visit. Okay, if I mistakenly claim this thing, instead of me writing it, I can go to here, edit, and say redo, undo. It will take me back to what I have written. I need to correct something. It has been highlighted by my grammar. So that is it. So this is the first statement, and I will take it as my introduction. Okay, let's write introduction on top. This is an introduction. Since it's an introduction, I am going to put it under heading. So this is coming to call, I'll use it as, okay. So under this market introduction, I have this. We now write on a main market. this is a subheading to that. And this is another, that's, let's say not the subheading, the second one, this number one. Then we are going to talk about Onitsha main market. This market is said to be the largest in West Africa. It's said to be the largest in West Africa. So I have on nature. There is no, this is not the correct to find. It's another language, so it is another language, so it will always highlight. Said to be, so I've written the second one. Then, so these words are written. I am going to form a table of contents with it. Introduction. So I am replacing my table of contents. I have to copy this. When I copy this, I will go to format. I'll go to heading 2 and give people to them. I can decide to remove what it's, delete it, and do it again. Let me show you how to put it correctly. This table of contents, I have copied it. I have to copy it. Good. I am coming here. Let me write the table of contents. Looking at that, this will show me. Then so these are it. This number one. So oh, the second one, Onitsha main market. That's it here. introduction. This is the second one. I will head into. So I've highlighted them so that when you click, you don't need to you just go straight to the market. When you click here, you go straight. When you click introduction, so when you click introduction, it gives you to introduction. That is how you will go through all of them. Then I've outlined it here. That's how it will look like. Then let's work on this. I don't know why this my grammar is highlighting this for me. They remove redundancy. All right, I remove this one. This is for. I will also take this, but I want to just show something. So this some of this, and let's work on this words now. I have taught you how to put link on some of this link. So let me delete it. So, it's not supposed to be it. This is developer. I have taught you how to put I've taught you how to put on nature. So we'll come back to that, but um, this is how you produce your outline. Then what you have written, you can either increase the font size as you see it or add link. Specifically, when you want to talk about a particular word, this energy. You talk about a particular word, you can highlight it this way, highlight it, and can highlight this, add it there, insert from the word, you can see where you talked about energy. You choose a good backlink that people can click and read and get what a good content that can help them get what they're looking for. Then here you can add a comment. Then you can insert image. Like here, let me search from the web. I get an image from the web. So before I insert that, I have to bring a place and put that I will click here. Then I will put in market. Let's just put straight on nature. Market. On nature, main market. Yes, these are the email. You choose any of this email. Let's choose this one. We'll insert. Boom. See the image there. So that's the image. You can decide to work on the image. If you want to reduce the size, you can do this from here, where this place is. You pull it off and leave your cursor. That is it. Depending on how you want to play along, you just pull it and leave it. When you have a lot of statement, you can try to wrap it around the statement. There's no long talk there, so there's nothing to wrap. Okay, they are all wrapped here. So that's another way you can, if you have a lot of statement there, you don't want all of they want something to still be written there, you can click on wrap in line. When you right click in line, you can come down, break text, don't want to behind text, want to put it behind, you want to break it, you want to in front, put it in front. There are many ways you can just play around with it. And so I've added an image. If this thing now I want to bring it to the middle, I can highlight it, bring this, align it. This is center. It's already by the side. I can put it in the middle by clicking on this one. Can put it again by the right side by clicking on this. So let's bring it back to the position which is by the left side. So that is it. You can line spacing, you can add bullets if you want. When you click on this one, you see what will happen. You can change it to one using this. Anyone you click on, you just watch what will happen. So what you need first to highlight, you see what is happening. There are many fun, play around with it and enjoy, increasing there, decreasing that, and so on. So this is really how to start writing a content. I am going to bring in other file. Then you write the name, the title of your content. Immediately you marketplace. What you need, press enter. It is now this content is now saved with this marketplace in Nigeria. So this table of contents we are talking about, when you go to file, no, I want to show you percentages, not a lot of them. Okay, this thing I have done, I want to send it as PDF. I can click on it, it will be in the form of PDF. I can rename it, I can share it to the web others, or I can publish it on the line, but I'm not publishing it online. So the most important thing is to get what I'm talking about, how to write a content, the things you need to put in place in writing your content so that it will look convincing, or like here you have the table of contents here. You can choose, when you have these links, it will have a link. When you click on this, that is your table of content. When you click, I didn't put it in front. But when I click on introduction, anyone you click on, it will take you to, sorry, network is bad here. Introduction, you open to introduction, that is it. Marketplace, you open to marketplace. So when you have put all the heading, what you just need is to go there and get the table of contents and click on it. Good to go. What you are looking for, it will just arrange it for you. But before you click it, make sure you place the cursor where you want your table of contents to be placed. Don't just press anywhere. You see, go to insert you here. When you press here, you see that place I pressed by cursor. This is where it is now. I hope you got it very clear. But when you press it and you put your cursor, it will be anywhere. See that one there, but see the right place supposed to be a couple of content. So when you click on marketplace, this is this one. When you click, you don't need to scroll down. When you click, you give you back your content. So each and every one of you is going to write a content and show me how the content is your own content. As you have seen what I have written, I think I've given you. So I will show you written content I have done so that you can also see how the content looks like. So this little, will I call it information I've given you, I hope it will help you start your own, know how to write a content. This is a preliminary knowledge of writing a content. If you have gotten what I said or you still have questions, you can still put down your question on the comment section. I'm just opening this to show you some of the content I've written, how it looks like when you write a content. There are many contents I have here. So I'm just opening mine. So if you want to start a content, you go to that cross sign, but I'm not starting a content. I just want to show you some of my content. Oh, all right. So let's get open one of the content here. Let's just say this one, potato chips. I guess I've not written anything in this content. Anyway, you've gotten what I want you to get. So try to put it to practice and let me see what you have in the comment section. Thank you for listening and coming. Thank you so much and God bless you.